Alright YouTube, before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, that way you never miss a video. How's it going YouTube? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. Alright guys, I wanted to bring you guys in the market. We're going to go through this trade, but at the same time I got some more important things I wanted to introduce to you guys. So in this trade, guys, we're selling the market. We're looking to get about $15 to $20. We sent this as a signal a few minutes ago and hoping to take profit on this really easily. So far, guys, signals 13 and 3, and that kind of correlates on what I'm trying to do. So we built a new website, guys. We have it on a different domain. I'm going to link that domain in the description down below so you guys can get a first-hand take of it. That website will convert to GTradeNow.com within the next couple days. I got some people working on that right now. But, you know, we're going to be launching here, and I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to take advantage. Right now on this website with the link down below, we're going to offer a 3-day trial of signals. So a lot of people have asked me for certain different things, and I got to be honest, I've listened. And this new website is going to allow us to do all of that. So we're going to have free signals for 3 days. That's going to be a limit to 1 per use, okay? I got some shadow trading coming out. There's going to be 2 plans on that. So it's going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays or every single day, Sunday through Friday. We're going to do that as well. That's also on my website, as well as our 5-minute and our hourly course. Now, big thing is affiliate. People have always asked me, hey, you should do an affiliate program. I'd love to work with you and love to, you know, make some money, you know, on top of the trading that I'm doing. So we are going to offer an affiliate link. So all you have to do is go on our webpage, right? Click affiliate. It's also offered on the products page. You will be able to earn 20% of anything that you sell, excluding signals. I do not offer 20% commission on signals, but I will give 20% on anything else that you bring, okay? And right away when you sign up, once you're approved, okay, it's going to give you all kinds of course material inside there to help you better sell for yourself, right? It's going to help you with websites. It's going to help you with sales driving. It's going to give you different things. As soon as you sign up, you're going to get about a couple hours worth of videos to help you sell, to make yourself more sales driven and ultimately help you. So check that out. That's a big thing that's coming out for us. And now that's a rolling commission. So it's going to start out at 20. The more you sell, the more commission you're going to make. I'm going to go up to 50%. So essentially, if you sell and you want to become a partner, that's exactly that. I'm going to give you 50% of profits. All right. So easily can be done, and it's not going to cost you a dime. All right. So also our products, I get a lot of question about, you know, I'm brand new to Nadex. How can I learn this? How can you have different courses on teaching me Nadex? Guys, I've listened. So not only did I make a course on Telegram and how signals will come in and how this will take effect, right? I also made a Nadex functionality course where you can get the ins and outs, learn how to sign up, learn how to withdraw, setting up your cards. We're going to talk about price action. We're going to do how to do work orders. We're going to do take profit orders. We're going to go over the different things you can trade in Nadex along with 5 minutes and all that stuff. I'm also teaching the buy 199 rule. Now that has gotten a lot of questions from the people that work with me specifically. I go over that in this course as well. That is a different exit strategy that you can use to get you in and out of the markets faster. All right. Inside our hourly course, guys, we always talk about setting up watch lists and all this other stuff, support and resistance, trend, you know, all the basics of how to trade the market, right? The market gives us all these tools, right? It's how we take our tools and utilize them in our advantage. You know, trading is nothing out of the ordinary. It shouldn't be a decision where you just pick something and go with it, right? There's analysis that needs to be done, and that's what we're going to do in this course, this hourly course. You know, this is about 3.5, almost 4 hours worth of course material here. and it's very, very great. Okay, I can't stress that enough. And then inside the course for the 5-minute, you're also going to get that same course. I'm going to load that up in there, as well as some more courses on Thinkorswim, as well as support and resistance, because I believe in support and resistance wholeheartedly. I think that is key, and if you can understand how to do it correctly, you really will have an added advantage in the market. All right, so now inside Signals, if you sign up for Signals, you're also going to get the Nadex functionality course. You're also going to get the Telegram course as well, right? So I'm going to make sure, even if you just have Signals, I'm going to make sure that you will get the things you need to be successful. All right, so whether you're a brand new trader or you're experienced, you're going to get that course. And if you're brand new, that course is really going to help you with the functionality of Nadex, because a lot of people came to earn money, and that's what we're trying to do, is trying to help you to earn money. All right, and learning Nadex is key. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to talk about is our shadow trading. Okay, so if you go to our products page, there's going to be two different things you can utilize. There's a tier 1 membership, and there's also a tier 1 membership or tier 2 membership with Signals. And then we have our MVP program. All right, so our tier 1 is Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're going to live trade together as a group. We're going to do 5-minute binaries, hourlies, dailies, weeklies, whatever the case may be, whatever the setup is there. It breaks down to about $10.93 an hour for what we're going to do, and that's for a month. All right. Now, our tier 2 membership is going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays, okay? And you're also going to get Signals included with that. So you're going to get our monthly subscription to Signals, plus you're going to live trade with me Tuesdays and Thursdays. I should say with us. It's not just going to be me. I usually will be in those rooms. Most likely every single day I will be in those rooms just to interact and to have my advice and take my trades as well. Also introducing our MVP membership. Okay, now that is every single day we will get together, as well as you will get Signals. The MVP comes with, we're going to be trading Sunday through Friday. All right, and access to me at all times. You're going to get my personal line. We're going to be able to text and all that stuff. So that is basics of what we got going on. Again, our 3-day trial is here. You just click there, sign up right away. You'll get access instantly through the website. Get those videos. Learn how to download and utilize Telegram. Message me. We'll get you set up in the group. I also have a discounted rate. You'll save $200 if you wanted to get a year subscription to Signals. Everything else, guys, is going to remain the same. All right, so I wanted to just bring that out. Also, right here, there's an affiliate link right here too. You can just join right here if you wanted to join and you wanted to earn some money utilizing your sales expertise. We would love to reach more people, and that is exactly what we're trying to do. So go ahead, visit the website. I'm going to link it down below. Hopefully it's going to become G-Trade Now within the next couple days. So just look out for that. I look forward to working with you all. Let's take a look at our trade. So since the beginning, we were able to make some money. And we got about 26 minutes to go. So I'll pause this video and we'll come back in and we'll just make this video a little extra longer to see the results of that trade. All right, guys, so it happened so fast I didn't even get a chance to bring you all in, but I brought my profit ticket up that I was able to get a take profit of $20. The reason that happened, I'm trying to pull up my chart so I can show you all. Is right around this candle here, I got wiped out. Take profit. There was a huge move. And if I put that on a 1 minute, look at that candle. Just boom, take profit hit. Right, so unfortunately I was unable to show that. So, I mean, you guys can see my order form. We sold the market at 43, right? We got bought back in at 23.77. So All right, so that concludes this video, guys. Go ahead and stop by my new website, link in the description. I look forward to having you guys as some affiliates and working with me in the future, shadow trading, all that stuff. Take care, guys. Trade safe.